Did you know that the scientific name for a killer whale is Orca? Well, there's a lot more that you probably didn't know, so let's get started. Humans can be at risk too. Although there have only been a handful of recorded attacks, they typically happen when people are in the water. They don't really attack boats though, unless they're trying to protect their prey. The females tend to be smaller than the males. And even though they're called killer whales, they're actually dolphins. That's right. They belong to the oceanic dolphin family. Despite being the largest member of the dolphin family, orcas are still considered a toothed whale because they have teeth, unlike the baleen whales, such as humpbacks and blue whales, which use a series of plates instead. Orcas are one of the most intelligent creatures in the world. In some cases, they'll purposely beach themselves to get at the food. This was spotted by a researcher who was tagging sharks off the coast of South Africa. Orcas are known to kill great white sharks just to eat their liver. And it's believed that they've developed this behavior because the liver contains a high concentration of oil that's rich in nutrients. And in other cases, they'll use rocks to crack open the shells of their prey. They use teamwork to tip over ice floes and knock their prey into the water. They also have the ability to work together to isolate a single animal from a pod, making it easier to capture and eat. In one case, a group of orcas surrounded a seal on an ice floe and took turns flipping it over until it slipped and fell into the water. Then they all ate it together. They're highly adorable and social animals who live in groups of up to 40 members called pods. They communicate with each other through a variety of clicks, whistles, and pulses that can travel up to 16 miles per hour. Each pod has its own unique set of calls. And even though they make a ton of noise, scientists have developed special listening devices to record their sounds. They're highly intelligent, social animals who use tools, have their own unique language, and exhibit remarkable hunting skills. So next time you hear someone call an orca a killer whale, you'll know that it's not just a name. It's a testament to their amazing abilities. Thanks for watching. Your host, Malcolm Walker. That way they can study how they communicate and pass on information to each other. Orcas are known to be deadly predators, preying on almost any other marine mammal, including sharks, seals, porpoises, dolphins, turtles, whales, and even each other. In 1972, a killer whale named Tilikum grabbed a young girl off the coast of Canada and held her underwater just to be playful. That same year, another killer whale snatched a boy out of his kayak near Seattle. And in 2003, a pod of orcas surrounded a small boat near South Africa and pulled it under before eating the fish inside. Even though they sometimes go after humans, we're not on the menu most of the time. We're more of a side dish. On average, orcas measure between 16 to 20 feet long and weigh 4,500 to 6,000 pounds. There are no real predators of adult orcas. But baby orcas are sometimes eaten by other whales, sharks, seals, and even sea lions. Now that's a scary thought. Baby orcas are born with black and white coloring, but as they mature, they develop different markings depending on where they live. The males are typically bigger and have a more triangular dorsal fin than the females. It can grow to be almost 7 feet tall. Now, let's talk about something really interesting. Orcas don't really have natural enemies, but they do have some frenemies. They sometimes form alliances with other marine animals like sea otters. You heard that right. Sea otters will ride on the back of orcas to get a free ride and help them find food. In return, the orcas get to feast on the sea otter's prey. Now here's another fun fact. Now this next fact might surprise you, but orcas are also known to use tools. One of the most notorious cases of an orca killing a shark happened in 2003, when a pod of orcas surrounded a great white shark and pulled it down into the depths. Even though orcas are often seen as ruthless killers, they're actually very smart and strategic when it comes to hunting. As you can see, orcas are incredibly complex creatures that play a vital role in the marine ecosystem.